Hi Suzanne. Question is, what would be beneficial for me to optimise my health and well-being on all levels at this moment in this now? Such a broad question, but a great question. There's many things that we can do to optimise our health and well-being now. The things that I focus on are generally 5 different things. So I'm looking at number 1 will be sound therapy. Now when I say sound therapy to people, a lot of people go, oh, go listen to music, right? Which is part of it. But the biggest sound therapy that people don't take into account is the noises and the words of others around them. So in other words, look at the type of people you're hanging around and what words they're using and what they're saying. Because if people are constantly providing negative words or aspects, it's going to not help your health or well-being. So that's one of them. And then also sound therapy in terms of music, but listening to positive music, upbeat music, that actually opens up the heart, opens up the body. Yeah. The next one, number 2, to optimise your health and well-being would be hands-on healing. Now, hands-on healing could be as simple as a massage. Hands-on healing could be as simple as you massaging yourself, getting some essential oils and massaging them on your skin, getting black sesame seed oil and massaging it on your skin, just getting touch onto the skin. Or it may be hands-on healing to move energy, to deal with any, chaos or trauma or things that have happened in your life. Number 3, to optimise your health and well-being is aromatherapy. Simple little thing that we can use consistently, just having a diffuser going in the home, in the workplace, just to bring those different senses into the body. Lavender is a great one for calming, but there's many essential oils information out there that you can get or have to give you guidance on, what would be best for you right now to optimise your health and well-being. But the great one for the aromatherapy, I feel, particularly now it's in springtime, get out into nature, smell the plants, smell the nature, because that's the most cleanest and purest aromatherapy you're going to get. Number 4, colour therapy. Now again, people always say to me, colour therapy, okay, so what different colours should I use and stuff like that, and what works best for me, or what colours. Now when I talk about colour therapy, it's not always just about a plain set of colours. Colour therapy is connected to your eyes and what you're seeing. So what can support in terms of colour therapy is when you walk into your home, what colours do you see? How clean is your house? Yeah, because if you like a clean and tidy house but it's messy and you walk in and you see that, straight away that's going to affect your health and well-being. So focus on what colours you need in your house to brighten up your day, but do you need a clean house to brighten up your day too? I know for me I do, and most people do. So colour therapy, so focusing on bright colours that bring you up in your home, bright colours that bring you up in your workplace or your environment, or getting to places that have those bright or colours that bring up your vibration and make you feel great. And number 5, the most important one, I feel, is nutrition. So optimise your health and well-being, you need to assure that you're eating to your body design. Eating based on what your body needs. Because every single food has an energy in it. Some have one type of energy, some have 5 types of energies. But you need to be eating the foods that have the energies in them specific to your body type. Because we naturally carry different energies in our body. Some of us naturally carry nuclear energy and electrical energy. Some of us naturally carry radiant energy and chemical energy. Some of us naturally carry mechanical energy and chemical energy. We all carry different energies naturally. So we need to be eating based on what brings all our energies to balance and at even. Because if we eat more of the energy that we've naturally got, all that happens is we just become more overflowed with that energy, and it starts to create issues with our body. Starts to create, disease, dysfunction, and disorders. So that's my 5 steps of guidance to how to optimize your health and well-being in this moment right here, right now. If you'd like to come and experience optimizing your health and well-being with me, either one-on-one in a retreat scenario, or just by coming to a course and learning about all these different types of therapies, then please go to the website www.uniquecommunity.com.au. Click on experiences, and there's a lot more detailed information there for you. Otherwise, all the best with your health and well-being. Go out and try and implement those 5 things into your everyday life to optimize your health and well-being. And I'm excited to hear back from you and let me know how your health is. And until then, take care. Quick disclaimer. I'm not a doctor. However, I have doctors that support me on the other side. So when I can see dysfunction in your body, they support me to understand what the dysfunction is and also how to treat that dysfunction. I also tap in to my studies in Ayurvedic medicine to support with understanding the dysfunction and how to treat the dysfunction. However, if you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to go and see your doctor as the first point of call.